Hey guys, Liam here! So I stumbled upon this awesome video of a crafter who's like a wood-bending wizard, seriously. First off, he's joining all these pieces of wood together, like some kind of woodworking maestro. Then get this, he starts carving these crazy cool patterns on every side of the wood piece. And you know what's really cool? He's all about keeping his workspace tidy, like major respect for that. Anyway, moving on, he starts bending these pieces into the patterns he just carved, and I'm sitting here like, whoa, how's he doing that? Then he takes them off to add some glue. Gotta stick those pieces together, right? Now here comes the tricky part. He's working on the centerpiece, and let me tell you, it's shaping up to be one epic table stand. But hey, safety first, folks. He's reminding us to be careful as he works his magic. So after attaching some new pieces, it's time to let everything dry and, of course, trim off any excess length. Gotta keep it sleek. Oh, and don't forget about smoothing out that surface. It's all about those finishing touches. And finally, it's time to bring back those bent and glued pieces. They're like the cherry on top. And voila! Check out this masterpiece, isn't it just awesome? If you're loving this content as much as I am, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more woodworking wonders. Peace out, y'all!